accomplishing small tasks in an orderly and effortless way. What are you having for lunch? See your day play out as if you are making healthy choices at every chance. Notice in your imagination all of your interactions with people throughout your day are fantastic. It's okay to imagine a perfect life. You have the freedom of your mind. Be extravagant. What kinds of goals are you working towards today? What are the exact steps that you need to take to move towards them faster than you ever have before? It feels good to imagine your day happening exactly as it should. Meditate on this technique. Okay, great. So let's take our focus now out of the imagination and into the physical body. Begin to notice your breath, causing the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Focus now on your arms, noticing any sensations in your arms. Breathe in and out as you send fresh oxygen into your arms. Rest for a moment. Now think of your hands. Breathe in and out, sending fresh oxygen to each finger. Rest. Bring attention to only the palms of your hands. Feel the warmth in your palms. Breathe deeply in and imagine you are breathing in through the center of your palms. Breathing out through the palms. In through the palms. Out through the palms. Do this for several more moments in meditation. Great. You are doing so well. Check back in with your posture one more time, setting the tone of dignity and confidence for the day ahead. And one last time, imagine your day ahead with everything falling into line, happening perfectly as it should. Breathe in a full, exhilarating breath, motivated to take on your day with delight. You may open your eyes whenever you are ready